Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet or you are new to this channel and you not click on the subscribe button, guys make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. And also guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, click on the links of the Telegram channel and follow us on Telegram because they will be putting out one or two useful informations for you guys there. So a quick analysis, I've done it by the way. If you've not watched my previous video on GBPJPY, I will advise you to go back and go and watch it. I'm going to do a quick recap. Like I said before, this is the first movement to the upside. This is, you can see this drop here. This is another movement. Market is failing to break above here. What can you see here? We are expecting a double top around this level. So basically, GBPJPY will be dropping to a level of 180, right? You can see drop. It wants to give us like an M pattern. That is what GBPJPY is currently doing. It is currently playing out on an M pattern. So that drop will be coming to a level of 180. That is our long-term bias or forecasts. But now let's see what is currently doing here. You can see this lower lows, and here comes the lower highs. Here is the lower lows, and we can see the lower highs here. Here comes the lower lows, and here is the lower highs. If you take a look at this, a lower lows is literally playing out. So once this lower lows plays out finish, then expect a lower highs. After that lower highs, another drop. So basically we will be getting lower lows, lower highs. You all know how trend move, right? A downtrend move from lower lows to lower highs to lower lows to lower highs to lower lows. That's exactly what we'll be expecting on GBP JPY till we get to a level of 180. Maybe then there might be a major reversal zone or every other thing. I'll give you guys an update by the way. So the link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Follow us there because I will give you an update on that channel.